Everybody, what I do now is I take off the top, everyone, and I lie onto the bed of nails, and I juggle the 3 clubs here. And this is my last show in London, everyone. And tomorrow I go to Edinburgh, and it's a late show, and it's not a big crowd. But if I could make a comment, you're not a big crowd, but you're a lovely crowd. So if it's okay, I want to do something special, if that's okay. Everyone, watch very, very closely what I do now. This is just my way of saying thanks for being a great crowd. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from, Brad? This is Brad. You're from America? Okay, Brad, we might get someone else. Just joking. Everyone, this is Brad from America. Everyone give Brad a big clap because he's helping in the show. And what I'm going to do, everyone, for my last show in London, I'm going to actually add an extension to the base of my bed of nails. Now, right now, this doesn't look like much, but everybody, watch closely what happens when I add the bed of nails to this extension. Everybody, what this does is this puts the bed of nails twice as high into the air. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're going to see now here today, this could be the biggest trick in the world, because today I've decided I'm going to juggle knives. People, are you not listening? Everyone, I'm going to juggle knives. Everybody, I could get hurt. I could die. All the ladies in the crowd, do your best to control yourselves. Ganja is now going to take off the top for the big trick. And everyone, I've been working out in the gym every day for 6 months. I'm taking steroids, and I get all my steroids very, very cheap from China. And the reason I'm doing this, everyone, it's for the moment that's about to come up now. So people, if you want to make me feel good about my new body, you can go crazy now. Lie onto the bed of nails, I let go of everything, I juggle the 3 knives, and that's the finale of the show. Guys, what I just did then is I call it the Ganja the Great Show, and everyone, I know it's stupid, I know it's ridiculous. The reason I do this, guys, is because when I do a street show, I do it just for one reason. I want everyone who stops, I want you to have fun, and that's why I do the Ganja the Great Show. And I hope today everyone had fun. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you very, very much, everyone. Sorry, guys. Please make the dream come true. Sorry, everyone. Tomorrow, I actually go to Edinburgh for the festival. And this is my last show in London. And last night, I had a dream. And in my dream for my last show, everybody in the crowd gave me £10. If just one person drops in a 10, just if anyone found it in their heart to drop in a 10, it'd make my day, it'd make it my night. Here we go, everyone. I let go now and just do that with the knives. Everyone, I gave you 100% of my energy. I hope you had a good time, London. And I just asked a big favour. I gave you 100% of my energy. If you guys had fun, just before I do the trick, could you guys let me know you had a good time now? And just give me some of your energy, London. Come on, everyone. If you had a good time, just make some noise. Thanks a lot, guys. It's not an easy position to juggle in. If I do it, everyone, on the count of 3, go crazy. It's not for the trick, it's for the whole show. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 2. Sorry guys. 2. 3. Come on, London! I can't hear you! That's it, everybody! Keep that going just a few seconds, and I'm gonna finish with a double. Come on, everybody! Thanks, guys!